If you are a student or immigrant in the United States, pause everything and listen carefully. Because in the USA, your future is not decided by your English level. It is decided by 5 sentences you use at the right moment. Most students never learn them. They stay silent. They feel embarrassed. They slowly lose confidence. Today, I will share those 5 sentences, not like a classroom lesson, like survival advice. Miss even one, and you will feel it in real life. Let's begin. When people come to the USA, they think English is about vocabulary. It's not. In America, English is about signals. Every sentence sends a signal. Are you confident? Are you responsible? Are you aware? 2 students can say the same thing, but one is respected and the other is ignored. The difference is not accent. Now, listen carefully. I will tell you each sentence clearly. You will know the number. You will feel the impact. This is sentence 1. This sentence protects you when you don't understand. Most students say, I don't understand. In American English, this sentence sounds final. It sounds like, I'm done. I can't handle this. Now listen to sentence 1. Sentence 1 is, I'm not sure I understand yet. Feel the difference. This sentence sends 3 signals. I'm trying. I'm responsible. Please continue. Use sentence 1 at airports, universities, offices. This sentence keeps conversations alive. Most students learn this sentence after weeks of confusion. You are learning it now. Now let's move forward. Because understanding is useless if people speak too fast. This is sentence 2. Sentence 2 protects you when English comes too fast. Students usually nod, say okay, pretend. This creates future disasters. Now listen carefully. Sentence 2 is, could you say that a little slower, please? This sentence does not show weakness. It shows clarity. In the USA, clarity is respected. Sentence 2 prevents misunderstandings, embarrassment, blame later. Repeat it slowly. Sentence 2 saves you more than you realize. How many times did you say okay, even when you didn't understand? That moment costs confidence. Let's continue. Now comes a sentence most students never use. This is sentence 3. Sentence 3 protects you when you need time. Silence scares students. They rush, they panic, they speak badly. Instead, use sentence 3. Sentence 3 is, let me think for a moment. This sentence turns silence into confidence. People wait. You control the pace. Professionals use this sentence daily. Students rarely do. Now let's talk about mistakes, because mistakes are unavoidable. This is sentence 4. Sentence 4 protects you after a mistake. Students usually apologize again and again, stop talking, lose confidence. Now listen. Sentence 4 is, let me rephrase that. This sentence shows awareness, intelligence, control. Sentence 4 allows you to recover instead of disappear. This sentence separates beginners from professionals. Now comes the most important one, the sentence that changes how people see you. This is sentence 5. Sentence 5 protects your dignity under pressure. When people are waiting, students usually stay silent. Silence creates tension. Now listen carefully. Sentence 5 is, "Thank you for your patience." This sentence reduces stress, creates respect, softens people. Use sentence 5 at offices, hospitals, universities, jobs. This sentence saved me many times. If English feels heavy in the USA, remember this: you are not weak. You are learning survival English. These 5 sentences are your shield. Practice them. Use them. One sentence at a time, confidence will grow. Welcome to Everyday English Adventures.